Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my class. I, Dr. Swati Pandya, welcomes you. Today, we will discuss drugs and alcohol abuse. Drugs, it is a very common word in the society, but very sensitive also. The use of drugs and alcohol has been seen since last many years, and especially it is rising among the youth. Generally, the students which are studying in school, colleges, they are dragged towards this type of abuses. So, drug and alcohol, it is spreading in society very much, very fastly, and even it is damaging health of young generation. So, today we will discuss some few things regarding drugs and alcohol abuse. Firstly, in detail, in today's session, we will discuss about drugs. So, drugs they are commonly abused in the form of opioids, cannabinoids, coca alkaloids, etc. And majority of these are obtained from flowering plants. Some of them they can be obtained from fungus also. Let us see one by one. First, we'll discuss about opioids. These are the drugs which bind to specific opioid receptors which are present in our central nervous system as well as gastrointestinal tract. So there they are recognized and then their effects they are seen. One of the example is heroin, and it is commonly used in the form of smack. Its chemical composition is diacetyl morphine, which is a white, odorless, bitter crystalline compound. The chemical formula is given here. You can see what is the chemical formula. This is the poppy plant from where it is the main source. The opioids they are taken from the poppy plant. And in earlier film industry, many of the movies they were based on these drug abuse. The main source of this drug is it is obtained by acetylation of morphine, which is extracted from the latex of poppy plant. The scientific name of poppy plant is Papaver somniferum. So I've marked it here with blue color, and you know that it is important to learn. So these how these are extracted from the poppy plant. I have shown you the fruit, the ridges they are made here, and from there inside it the latex which is present it oozes out in the form of droplets, and then it dries, it becomes dry, and then it is used. Generally these type of opioids they are taken by snoring and injections. So heroin is how it what are the effects. Heroin is a depressant, it makes depressions and also slows down the body functions. So actually particularly this drug topic as well as alcohol abuse topic, it would be a little bit boring. So just to make it interesting, we will write down all these points in a different manner. So you can write these points as the name of the drug, then which body part it affects, then what are the extraction sources, then even the examples and their detail. In this way, you can write down point wise. It will be easier for you. Another drug is cannabinoids. They are the group of chemicals which interact with cannabinoid receptors present principally in brain. So previously we have seen which part was affected. Here we have seen the main were central nervous system as well as gastrointestinal tract. So the receptors were present in these two areas. In cannabinoids, we will see that the receptors, they are present especially in brain part. It is a part of central nervous system only, but brain is specified here. Now the natural cannabinoids, they are obtained from the inflorescence of plant Cannabis sativa. Earlier we have seen the poppy plants, from there the opioids were collected, and here the cannabinoids are obtained from inflorescence of plant Cannabis sativa. The chemical formula is displayed here. So you are not supposed to draw the chemical formula, but you are supposed to identify them. So identification is important here. So what happens in the inflorescence of plant? The flower tops, the leaves and the resins of this cannabis plants are used in various combinations to produce different type of cannabinoids like marijuana, hashish, charas or ganja. Generally, they are taken by inhalation like oral ingestion. So with the help of mouth they are taken in, and they are badly affecting the cardiovascular system of body. So heart related problems can occur because the cardiovascular system, respiratory as well as circulatory system, both are affected if long time use is there. Next type of drug is coca alkaloid. It is also known as cocaine. It is obtained from coca plant, known as the scientific name is Erythroxylum coca, and it is native from South America. So all these examples you have to remember. It infers with the transport of neurotransmitter dopamine. We all know that in nervous system certain neurotransmitters, they are helpful in just taking message from one neuron to another. So dopamine is also one of them. I think you are familiar with another neurotransmitter, that is acetylcholine. But here dopamine is indicated. So generally cocaine, which is commonly in the form of coke or crack, is usually snorted. That means it is used with the help of nose. It has a potent stimulating action on central nervous system. So mainly all the drugs, they badly affect the central nervous system. And here which type of effect is there? Especially the sense of euphoria. Euphoria is a feeling of great feeling of happiness. So generally the energy is also increased, and the sense of happiness, it is felt all the time. Other well-known plants with hallucinogenic properties, they are Atropa, belladonna and Dhatura. I think Dhatura plant you have seen, I have displayed here. So this is the flower of Dhatura plant. It is very common. When roadside you go, anywhere else they are found near the roadsides, so they can be easily observed. Excessive dosage of cocaine, it causes hallucinations. This is also one type of effect related to central nervous system. Another drug is barbiturates and LSD. Even amphetamines, benzodiazepines, they are also included here. They are similar type of drugs that are normally used as medicines to help patients to cope up with mental illness like depressions and insomnia. Insomnia is inability to sleep or sleeplessness. They are more and more taken, and it can badly affect the health. मॉर्फिन इज वेरी इफेक्टिव सिडेटिव एंड पेन किलर, जिसको हम बोलते हैं नशा हो जाता है और बार बार उसके बिना काम नहीं चलता, उसको बार बार लेने की इच्छा होती है. एंड एक्चुअली द body get used to with all these drugs. It is very useful in patients who have undergone surgery because it is sedative. मैंने आपको जैसे बताया नशे जैसा फील होता है या पेन किलर जैसा भी यूज होता है. सो मॉर्फिन इज एक्चुअली यूज्ड एज ड्रग इन our health related surgeries or in medicine field. Several plants, fruits, and seeds have hallucinogenic properties and they have been used for hundred of years in folk medicine, जिसको हम बोलते हैं कि बहुत हमारी जो लोक संस्कृति है जो गाँवों में बसी हुई है. And even in religious ceremonies, the rituals, they are used और actually habit जैसी बना ली जाती है because of just to remember the use of these certain plants and fruits which are having such type of effects of drugs. Next drug which give its bad effect and it is also very common in the society, that is nicotine. Actually it is related with the smoking, and we all know smoking is very common in students, particularly of schools, colleges, and others also in the society. And tobacco has been used by humans till many years, more than 4 or 500 years. So the habit is created in the society. It is smoked or chewed or even used as snuff. So this type of tobacco consumption is there in society. It is common. When you buy the packet of cigarettes or any other such type of tobacco products, then a quotation is written that it is injurious to health, but no one cares about it. So today we will discuss in more detail what are the bad effects of taking all these things, tobacco or tobacco related things, because it contains nicotine. And the bad effect of nicotine is it stimulates adrenal gland. It is a very important gland, and just the stimulation of adrenal gland, it gives the effect to release adrenaline and noradrenaline into blood circulation. You have learned the effect of these hormones, adrenaline and noradrenaline. All the activities, normal activities of body, they get excited, the heartbeat increases or the blood pressure increases or the respiratory rate increases, the nervousness that is felt. So all these are effect of release of adrenaline. So they are seen. So nicotine stimulates this gland. Even the smoking is associated with increased incidence of cancer of lung, urinary bladder, throat, bronchitis, emphysema, coronary heart diseases, gastric ulcer, which are concerned with the digestive system, means stomach, etc. So, tobacco chewing is associated with increased risk of mainly cancer of oral cavity or the last part of the oral, that is the pharynx. And mainly, this is observed. It is very common in the society. Even smoking increases carbon monoxide content in the blood as well as it reduces the concentration of heme bound oxygen. The oxygen is unable to bind to hemoglobin compound. So what will happen? The oxygen carrying capacity of body is also decreased. So there will be deficiency of oxygen in the body. So that definitely the energy level of the body or a person also decreases. So all these bad effects they are seen regarding nicotine also. But all these drugs we have learned today. But lastly, I would say that all the addictions which are seen in youth or even in old age people, they has to be avoided because the habit is created and it is very injurious to health. The people never knows what will be the bad effect of all these drugs. Any addict will require actually the counseling and even medical help to get rid of habit. And personally also, every person can try to get rid out of it. And my request as well as suggestions to you people, that is, you are a biology related students, you all know what are the bad effects, so please don't drag your body towards all these things. So this message I want to give you in the last, and please do follow all the suggestions which are given by elders, your teachers, your well wishers, and never drag towards all these bad habits. Okay students, so today we are ending our session here, and next session we will be ending our chapter. We will be discussing in detail about alcohol abuses. Till then, take care students. Bye bye.